Hello team. Hi crew. I wanted to show you I'm just starting to get my playing cards IO sort of organized, and I wanted to show you, so first of all, like such a great site. Now I didn't use this before because when you would actually get the games in here, if you didn't use the games for 30 days, they would disappear. It was super annoying because I would spend all this time getting these games up and ready and organized, and then if I forgot to use them, boom, they were gone. So I haven't used this site in a long time, but again, the site is Playing Cards IO is what it's called. It is super cool because you can really just play cards exactly as you would if somebody was sitting next to you where they can have a blind hand and you're not seeing it. So I want to show you my process for doing that as I'm starting. First of all, I come to Facebook, and you want to be in the group that I'm in right here is Barton Games for Remote Tutoring. So make sure you have that joined. And then you can just kind of scroll down and find them. Like this says Wordwall, that's not the one that you want. What you want is a PCIO game. So you're going to click on the PCIO game. And it's going to go into your download file. So here's my download file, and it's going to run through this whole series of pop-ups here. And I'm just going to keep saying okay and no and blah, 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 and close it out. Then I'm going to come over to my playing card IO stuff. And I'm in my account right now. So make sure you have that selected. You don't want home, you want your account. And I'm going to browse for games. I'm not actually going to do that. Let's go back to my account. I'm going to go to import right here. So this is my import file. And I know that I just need to select it. So then I'm going to come over to my downloads today, and like here's the one I just did, which is 3.5. It's a floss rule. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to hit open. So it's going to upload, blah, blah, blah. It's going to go through the whole thing. Loading, loading. And then here it is. And you can enter, and you can kind of see what's happening in here. You can read the directions. There's always directions down in the corner and stuff like that. But that's not what I want to show you, because that's something that I know you can do on your own. I kind of want to go back here, and I want to go back to my account. And now I want to show you how I'm going to rename this. Because to me, if they're not organized by exactly what I need them to say and where I need to find them, then it doesn't matter. So I'm going to change the room name. This is 3.5. It's floss rule. And I'm going to put something like, this is a movie maker for phrases. And then I'm going to rename. Now I will be able to find, it's got all the stuff that I need. So I'll be able to find it pretty quickly. Oops, it says 3.5. That's not what I want. 3.5. There we go. And so now I'll be able to grab it whenever I want. This subscription is about 80 bucks for the year. I think it's well worth it. The games are really high quality. I mean, like you can see up here, we have Snakes and Ladders. This is actually, this Hungry Hippo is a slap it game. You've got something for reading phrases, and then you've got, this is a trouble one, but lots of different options for you to play. So let's again, we can import, select here. We can grab the, oh, I think I have all these. Oh no, 8.1 I don't have in here. Open it, wait for it to load. You can just check. So this one is an 8.1, and it's helping students sort through a place, a person from like India or a career like electrician, or a field like optician or something. So, that's what this is. So, okay, yes, this is what I want. I'm going to go back and again, I'm going to go to my account and here it is with the random name. And again, I'm going to change the room name 8.1. And this is, what did they called this amnesia something. But I would put tricky word endings. That's just how I think of this. And then I would do amnesia sort game. That's probably what I'd do. And then rename it. And so now I've got that set up. And again, you know, if you go into this, there's like hundreds and hundreds. I mean, there's hundreds of these games. And they're really fantastic. You know, I also would take a second. The other thing that I do when I'm organizing these is I might take a second, like I haven't seen this 7.9 game, the AR and ER sort. And if you don't know, Wordwall has made it really difficult to search for games. You cannot do that anymore. So this is a perfect thing that I would copy. I would open up my OneNote here. I would go to 7, I would come down to 9, and I would do another, this would be an ARR, comma ERR, ooh, hello, ERR sort. So then I know exactly what it is, and when I'm looking for it, I'm going to insert a link, paste, insert. So now when I want to come and yeah, I might also put Wordwall. So when I need this, it's already sorted by my lesson and my level as well. So again, this is in games and resources. I put a folder in here and then I did another folder. So this is also how I have all of my games organized so that I can find them really quickly. So anyhow, little tip of the day, thought I'd share. Have a great day and we'll see you later.